So if you have not seen all like the little mystery photos of this, William Shakespeare, voluntary. This is so cool. I love like the whole vintage and the like the Shakespeare type of stuff and everything. I used to do a lot of that back then, like poetry and stuff. I don't know if you can tell, but like it's like embossed. Look how gorgeous that is. Look at it. Da 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 da. Like February right around the corner with all these pinks. And then you can pause and read if you would like to. Okay, so I've already prepped my eyes. So taking Paris first. And we're just gonna leave this closer towards the outer portion. That is like the coolest like little cat eye. That really pretty like lavender fluffier brush to like tap it first and then have it blend with the other shade. I'm gonna grab a tinier fluffier brush and then still pick up that same color and then go on. I'm just tapping it over and then slightly kind of like flicking it out. So I'm gonna pick up that to like this little middle section a little bit out, but I want it more like focused here. So it's kind of like bringing that like as a highlight. So anyways, I'm learning new things, but just lightly tapping on the edges just to kind of diffuse everything. Romantic color, and look at it, it's got like the little heart and crossbone in that shade, and I'm like, it looks really, really cool and unique, and I'm just gonna trust my gut this time because I think this look is really, really pretty so far. Tried cute. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that towards here, and then I'm gonna tie off that edge piece with that Paris color that we started with. Really pretty pink shade corner, so it's not too overpowering. I'm gonna do an eyeliner and then fix my face, and then we'll come back for the whole look. Before I put mascara on, I want to go ahead and show it's coming together really, really, really nicely, really pretty. Let's ruin it with some graphic eyeliner. My favorite thing to do is like start messing with looks and putting graphic liner on it. But before I mess it up, if this is something you wanted to copy and do too, then this is what it looks like, and it's really pretty. So overall finished look, and I think it ties nicely with a lot of the colors that are going on, and it's got like that sultry vibe to it. Really happy with this look. It's been a second since I got into my graphic looks again, and yeah, I know it's just like a simple graphic liner, but it makes the look just pop that much more, and I don't know, I love the color theme. I think every single palette that they make is absolutely gorgeous. There's not a palette that I have been like, ugh. Like, and normally, like, when I'm buying palettes or getting palettes or seeing other people review, I'm like, but they always go with, like, their heart, basically. That's what it is. And then they just do so many color themes. And even if like this is such a cool color, and even like when you're like looking and you're like, I don't know if I'll use that color, just play around with it. Get creative, get fun. Start off with a couple colors, just mess around. Like I really like when I'm pointing to this color, I'm like debating if I should just like pop it right here somewhere, just because I'm like, but it doesn't tie with the sultry look that I was going for. But but yeah, so they always have something in here that you can play with, even like this shade. So yeah, I just say do you and just start messing with a couple colors and then just create something wild. Like that's what I always do. So alright, so now for the swatches. I'm gonna start with Art, which I know I already took the imprint off of this one. Love. These two are gonna be like really pretty together. Really pretty. Then we have La Bohème. It's almost like a coral pink. Puccini. It's kind of like a grayish color. Poverty. Destiny is the last for the top one. those two would go really good together. Okay, Musician. And then it looks pink there, but then when it hits, it's like a goldish green tint to it. Philosopher. Think that would look good for all the pink stuff. Mimi, and that is that really pretty reddish shade. Really want to, oh, buddy, oh my god. I definitely am going to have to do a pink look with that. That is fire. Oh my god, that is, oh, I just want to, Rudolph things. I showed that to you guys earlier, but I have Painter. It's such a neat color. I have Poet, purplish blue on the finger. But Ephemer, like that really pretty lilac-ish color. Romantique. And Paris, it's that really pretty like dark plum type of shade. Such a good color. Latin Quarter. Dramatique. Oh, bronze. Yeah, that's so pretty. Tragique. And that is what I have like right there. It's like gorgeous. I just, every single time they have like color story, I'm wiping my fingers off, but every time they have color stories, I'm just like, I love the way they put things together. That is what we have so far. So you can just look at the side by sides. Or gorgeous, and I'm just like, whew, every time in heaven. Let me know your favorite shade down here if you're gonna get this palette, if this is even something that speaks to you. Also, I have code Brittany10 that I'll leave somewhere around here that you can use. Save 10%, and it helps me. I don't make affiliate code from it right now, like I don't make it a commission or anything, but it does help me to show them or help them to see if anyone's using my code. So in the future, I may be able to actually get commission from it. So please use my code if you are thinking about any other palettes. It would help me in the future, hopefully. So I love them and I stand by them every single time, whether I'm having a code or not. I just absolutely love them.